From is a atmosphere of the brain, known as the visual center, a few cubic centimeters in size. The images of a time expansive landscape, minuscule. To put in perspective, our childhood, the school we went to, our home, work, family, country, briefly, every single detail we have ever seen, all came to be in a small piece of flesh. In the first step in seeing, beams of light enter and pass the pupil and lens. Sensitive cells then convert the light into electrical signals to be seen in the brain. The image from the retina, but the brain reverses this accordingly. Signals received from each eye and all the visual information a brain perceives. The brain uses two images received from each eye to create the single three-dimensional image you see. It also generates out the shapes and colors and determines the distance involved. This entire process takes place less than a tenth of a second. Looking at what we described so far, we are face to face. The eye is composed of 6 different sections and layers that include cornea, iris, pupil, lens, eyelid, nerve connecting to the brain, and countless other structures. Them can work together as a whole. In order for the eye to function, all those structures and tissues must be present at the same time, working in complete synchronization. This operation renders relevant the claims that human state today is of coincidence. The perfect organism does not have about by means of any power other than it is Almighty God who created systems in great. In one verse, it is revealed that is the originator of the heavens and earth. When he decides on something, he just says to it, "Be," and it is.